Investing in a solar system may not always be worth it for some due to various factors. Firstly, the high upfront costs of purchasing and installing solar panels can deter potential buyers. While solar technology has become more affordable, it may take years to recoup the initial investment through energy savings. Additionally, the energy output of solar panels is variable, depending on factors like weather and location. In regions with limited sunlight, the efficiency of solar systems decreases, making it a less practical choice. Maintenance and repairs can incur extra costs, and the environmental impact of manufacturing and disposing of solar panels should not be overlooked. Overall, the financial and environmental benefits of solar systems may not always justify the initial expense for some individuals. Furthermore, solar systems often require sizable roof space or land, which may not be available for everyone. This space constraint can limit the number of panels one can install and subsequently reduce potential savings. Additionally, the technology behind solar systems is still evolving, which means that today's cutting-edge panels might become outdated in a few years, rendering the initial investment less appealing. Grid-tied solar systems may also lack resilience during power outages if they don't incorporate energy storage solutions, further diminishing their value. Moreover, government incentives and rebates for solar installations can be inconsistent and subject to change, making it difficult to predict the long-term financial benefits. The process of selling excess energy back to the grid can be bureaucratic and yield minimal returns. For those in rental or shared housing, the upfront costs may not align with the potential duration of their stay, making solar systems impractical. In such cases, the benefits may not outweigh the price and associated complications, discouraging some from investing in solar technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.